Morning.
So we finally made it to Jekyll Island, which is our first stop in Minthe, the RV. And we got here around 7:30 last night. Took us a little bit longer than expected. It took us about 7 hours to get from Charlotte, North Carolina to Jekyll Island in Georgia. The RV does not like going over some inclines very much. She was going a solid 50, 55, but we made it in one piece, so that's better. Last time, you joined us as we ate, drank, and laughed our way through Asheville, North Carolina. Now we finally get to make our first trip in our renovated RV. We will be driving from Charlotte, North Carolina to Naples, Florida. So sit back, relax, and join the adventure. We'll only be staying on Jekyll Island for 2 nights, and then we're going to make our way down to Naples, Florida to visit my mom where she's staying for a couple of months, so we're excited about that. And then we're just going to make a pit stop probably close to Orlando or so that we don't have to drive as much as we did yesterday. Then we'll have some, good couple of days in Naples.
Here we go.
After eating breakfast, we took a walk around the campsite with the entire crew. Then we rode around the island, saw what appeared to be a heron, and visited the Georgia Sea Turtle Center. The center takes in injured turtles from places around the island, performs surgery on them if deemed necessary, and rehabilitates them. Once the turtles are ready, the center safely releases them back to their natural habitat. It made us happy knowing the people at the Georgia Sea Turtle Center truly strive to save and protect the turtles, but at the same time, it opened our eyes to see just how destructive humans can be to entire ecosystems. Alright guys, so we're in Bushnell, Florida. It's about 3 hours outside of Naples. We decided to stop here for the night and then be in Naples tomorrow. Mint has decided she's not done giving us troubles. We have a leak somewhere with the washing machine. We took it out of where it usually is. We don't see anything yet. We're trying to see if we can find where the leak's coming from, but
It's not going well. It's not going well.
all we can do is
Beer's
sit back, drink beer, and
Wait.
hope we can find what the hell is going on. So we found the issue. Our gray water tank was full, so the pipes are overflowing. So we did all this for nothing. Alright, we officially made it to Naples. We're eating some dinner on the beach,
Watch the sunset.
waiting for the sunset.
Welcome, guys.
Thank you. Morning! So today we're going on a little boat ride around Naples.
So we just finished up cleaning the RV. It is such a small space, so it's easy to clean up, but it takes no time for it to get dirty.
We are about to go to Carol's mom's house to do some laundry and then also some editing, so we'll catch up with you guys later. So unfortunately we didn't get much footage today because we were doing laundry and also editing our RV renovation video, and we'll post a link at the end of this video if you haven't seen it already. Go check it out.
And now we're about to head off to a very posh white tablecloth dinner at Fafa Persian restaurant here in Naples, so we'll have some footage of that as well.
Bye. Bye, Mercy. They don't want us to leave. Keeping guard. Take care of the RV while we're gone, okay? Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. That Persian food was amazing.
So good. Eggplant was phenomenal.
Melt in your mouth. Super good. We didn't even get any shots of it. We were too hungry. Too eager.
True.
We'll catch you guys in the morning.
Morning!
So this morning we decided to get our generator checked out because we passed by an RV repair shop here at the campsite, and what was happening was we would run the generator and the AC and the microwave wouldn't work, but like all the lights would. So we called the repair shop over here, Advanced Mobile RV Repair. Check them out, Brent and Shelly, they're complete legends, really helped us out.
Yeah, well, we're idiots part 2 here. New to the RV life.
We're noobs.
Our breaker was off on the generator, which is why our AC wasn't working.
That's it, just a breaker that was off.
They also gave us some awesome tips, so
Yep.
highly recommend them.
Yep, learn how to properly maintain our generator, so we shouldn't have any issues anymore. Mint.
That was our fault.
Now we're gonna go eat some lunch and check out some shops around Naples. Alright guys, well that's going to do it for this week's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to tag along for the rest of our adventures, go ahead and press the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. Bye!